my nephew make a game called Pong game. He's senior high school, uh, vocational senior high school, if I would like to say it. In bahasa, we call it sekolah menengah kejuruan. Right now, he's in 10th grade, and he got a lesson C++ from his teacher. I asked him what kind of project the C++ use in his school, but he clueless, so I tried to give him the project, and here we are. He made the project. Actually, I give him a tutorial video, and he followed the tutorial, and this is the result, and he makes some tweaks, maybe color or something like that, and here we are. It's a project called Pong game, like I said before. It used the raylib engine. So raylib is a game engine for C or C++, as far as I know, and currently it has tested on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, and now if we go to project, I have cloned it. It looks like this, same as the Git. And I would like to test on my Mac OS. So I have not familiar with raylib or C++. So I asked our friend, our AI friend called Cloud Code. So like this, I asked it. This project is a Pong game with C++ or raylib. Currently it works on Windows, but I like to try it on macOS. How to do it? So it answers like, okay, it explore and understand the current setup, and then the make file has already support for macOS. So this is the make file. This make file uh, currently designed for raylib engine, but actually makefile is a kind of file that used to build program with in C or C++ as far as I know. So correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so to do it, it says install raylib. Okay, I have installed it by check release raylib. Okay, I got it. And then just next step is build the game. Make. Okay, let's start it. Just type make. Okay, it built game. What it says? Okay, I think this one, the game. Okay, so the next I just try to run game. Aha, here we are. So can I move? I think wait. I think the window need to resizable. Okay. How I move it? Oh, I must use the wait. Oh, so I'm in the blue side. My score doesn't increase. Uh, where is it? Oh God. No. Oh, yes, I got it. Currently, I can only use the keyboard W and S, but unfortunately, I cannot use the up and down key. It will be better if this mix, if this supported. Okay. Oh god. Yep. Okay, I will stop it and would like to try to figure out. Let's ask like this. Why when I run this project the window is not resizable, then also the why I cannot use the up and down keyboard to run the game. Okay, so it already give me the answer. I should make it set window resizable true. And then the pedal controls in line 70 to 71 only use W or S keys, not arrow keys. So we must add this code program. Okay. Speed plugin. Okay. Okay, after that I just need to run make clean and make. Okay. Set window resizable. It's not work. Okay. Set config flags and then just run again the code program. The game is run. Okay. Yep. I just run the game once again. If I want to resize, yay. But we got another problem. The whole thing itself is not resizable. We got much more error, and then yeah, I think okay, but the keyboard here up and down works well now. I think I will let to him now and make improvement here. Okay, so that's all about the Pong game. I'm quite impressive, but a lot of things can be improved here. Yeah, I will inform him now. Thank you.